guys, today's video I show you my food. Very delicious and healthy. There, we unpack already. Oh. See, it's finished na, but this is the one. Wow. See, pomegranate, mango, corn, lettuce, and banana. Okay, then we put dressing. So yum. Yeah. Now I starting diet. I starting diet. Yeah, because we find what? We find
Sugar daddy.
sugar daddy. Oh yeah, really? Yeah, that's my friends. She's really cute. And also follow her. She have you have 25 million follower, right?